Hello, friends. In this video, we discuss how to block ads on any website. First, we check which ads are being blocked in this video. Now, you can see there are ads. These ads to block ads on your PC, close all running processes. I will provide a BAT file in the description or comment section. Download it and open it. This is checking if ads are coming on Chrome in 10 seconds. It can automatically close and opening one extension page. In this page, click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Now, wait for it to download. When this hand and remove option appear, you can close Chrome. Click on the black box and press enter. Wait a second. Click on Add to Chrome again, and click on Add Extension. Now, wait for it to download. Hand and remove option appear, you can close Chrome again. Click on the black box and press enter. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension again. When this lock appears, close Chrome. When this hand and remove option appear, you can close Chrome. Click on the black box and press enter. Now your ads are blocked. Check the website and enjoy. Now the website is working without ads. friend, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.